2 regular sized bananas, room temperature, and 1 2-liter of Sprite. I just opened it up. It's not refrigerated, not cold. 3, 2, 1, begin. That was full. You gotta watch it because these foam up. Somehow mixes with the banana and creates a foam. Very easy to have it all come out. It's getting tough. Three minutes, 34 seconds. We'll call it 3:35 just to be good. Thanks to your man Cody for the inspiration. I haven't been doing any eating challenges or chugging lately. And just wanted to say check him out here on YouTube. He's more entertaining than me, I'll guarantee you that. Well, I hope I get over this bout of laziness and start doing more of this stuff. Sometimes I get going and think, yay, and then I never do anything more. But I like this. I'm happy with this. Did better than I thought I would. Later.